Trending today, a provocative, controversial, even offensive performance at the MTV Video Music Awards has everyone talking. Sound familiar? This time, though, it's not Madonna, it's not Britney Spears, it is Miley Cyrus who's exposing, you could say, a side of herself we've never seen before during a performance with Robin Thicke. All right, let's go ahead now and join the discussion that is just burning up social media. John Murray is here in Washington, entertainment journalist and editor-in-chief of AlwaysAlist.com. I mean, John, what do you think of this? Is this just a PR stunt or is it something deeper, maybe more troubling?
Brianna, if this performance had a name, it'd be called Hannah Montana's Musical Meltdown. I watched her performance last night like I watch most horror films, with my hands over my eyes. I don't know if you've seen the photos circling on social media of Will Smith's kids, Jaden and Willow, but they were horrified. They looked like the Home Alone kids sitting in the audience. It was like the deconstruction of Miley Cyrus. It was really kind of frightening to watch.
Okay, so, I mean, I was sort of fascinated by this because she doesn't dance that great, let's be honest. So it was a whole lot of it was like her Gene Simmons length tongue and just a lot of gross stuff going on. But I want to talk to you about something that her dad, singer Billy Ray Cyrus, tweeted out. I mean, what the heck was he thinking? He tweeted last night, thanking God for so many blessings tonight. Continue to pray for world peace, more love, less hate. I mean, this is so disconnected from what was happening last night.
Absolutely. Clearly, his Twitter timeline must have been flooded with all the people who were outraged by the performance. But at the end of the performance, her mother stood up and gave her a standing ovation. Listen, I know parents across the country are making sure that their daughters are going to Bible class and Sunday school this week because this was a cautionary guide. My daughters, this is what we don't want you to do. I mean, the awkward colored flesh outfit. You know, on social media, they have photos with her parent next to the Purdue chicken and her backside. Like, that's not what you want to happen after a national televised performance. These performances are supposed to enhance record sales. They're supposed to entice people to want to see you and tour. They're not supposed to give you nightmares, and that's what happened to me last night.
Okay, I will say, you said Will Smith's kids were sort of like appalled by this. I will point out it was the Lady Gaga performance they were appalled by, but I did notice during this one, for instance, Drake seemed to be slightly, I mean, it was like everyone felt so awkward watching this, don't you think?
The most awkward part of it was that Robin Thicke is my age. Well, he's a year older than me. He's 36. And Miley Cyrus is 20, so when she grabbed his crotch and, was doing the hooker gestures, it just made you feel, it was like the dirty old man thing was happening on television. Like, it was like you wanted to take a shower afterwards. It was very uncomfortable.
Yeah, it really was. John Murray, thanks so much.